Kenneth. Uy, nagbubuisit na oh. Naka-ano yan, sandals. Oh, tara na. Let's go na. Paano ka? Nagpantay na yung bangs niya. Oh, konti. Humaba na yung buhok niya, oh. Humaba na dito sa gilid. Kailangan natin pa-haircut. Hi! Ha? Ano yan? Tanggalin mo. Naka-medyas ka pala, ate. Ayaw mo tanggalin yung medyas mo? Okay lang yan? Okay, sige. Atid ko sila. Oo. Let's go, let's go. Atid ko sila sa ano. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. May sasakyan. Wait a minute, may sasakyan. Ate, wait. Atid ko sila sa daycare. Kasi may work tayo today, guys. Pang ano tayo today, pang gabi. Ano yan? Opo. Suot na ni Kenneth ang sandals. Talagang ginagamit niya yan everyday. Kahit nasa loob lang siya ng bahay, talaga nakasandal siya. Panggabi na naman tayo, guys. Wala pa man din akong kasabayan magbike ngayon kasi ang Ruth nasa ano pa, Pinas. Hindi pa nakabalik. Pero at least Friday na today. Ano po yun? Ano po yun? May ano ngayon? May 24. May 24. Happy yan. Happy yung bebe namin. Ay, oo. Dumadami na rin ang mga butterfly na pakalat-kalat kasi nga ano. Summer na dito. Pa-summer na. Oh. Thank you, anak. Oh, sige, kunin mo yung blender. Ang gulo na ng vlog natin, guys. Sorry po. Ang dami na rin bulaklak sa daan. Ang ganda na ng daan. Mabulaklak. Oh, kahit yung mga ligaw na bulaklak lang. Look, Zoe, they are so nice. Ang cute, di ba? Opo. Ang cute, no? Hindi ko alam anong tawag dyan. Tapos, na maririnig mo sa baryo namin. Yung mga ibon lang. Ganyan ka, presko. Ganyan ka tahimik. Ikaw din, Nak, magkuha ka din ng flowers. O, sige. Baba ko muna siya. Sige. Ayan, Beo. Ang gaganda. Ayaw mo po. Ang buhok ni Kenneth, guys, talagang brown talaga. Brownish. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya talaga. O, tara na. Punta na tayo sa Ofang. Kung ayaw mo magkuha ng flowers. Wow! Nalagay na ng ate. Kaya lang ako na naglagay ng seatbelt. Uy! What is that?
Brakes?
What is that? Do you hear that, Zoe? We're up. That is a frog.
Yeah.
That is a frog. Quack!
Okay. Acorn.
Kokak. Guys, nahatid ko na ang mga bata. Naku, madaling-madali ako. Pakita ko lang to sa inyo. Dumating na yung bike ni Zoe. Nakalimutan ko pala sabihin dun sa last vlog ko na nakabili kami ng bike niya. Ayan. In-order pa namin online kasi yung color na gusto niya, wala. Kaya ayan, bukas gagawin niya ni Daddy. And then, last week kasi di ba galing si Daddy sa Asian store. Tapos nakabili siya ng balot. Yung isa kong kasama, dalawa lang naman yung mga kasama ko sa work. Yung isa doon, may asawang Thailander dati. Ngayon gusto niya mag-try ng, nung nandun siya sa Thailand, hindi siya nakatry ng balot. Ngayon sabi ko sa kanya, kapag merong balot sa Asian store nga, patitikim ko sa kanya. Parang isang taon yata siya or 2 years siya sa Thailand. Never siya nakatry ng balot talaga as in. Anyway, eto nga nilaga ko na yung mga balot. Patry natin sa kanya mamaya kung ano ang reaction niya. Nagdala din ako ng mga malilit na mangkok. Hindi na ako magdadala ng suka kasi baka mangamoy yung kantin, mapagalitan ako. So, yung balot lang, tapos container, saka magdala akong asin. Lagay ko lang dito. At saka, yung asin, ayan, ready na tayo. Ano kaya magiging reaction niya pag nakakain siya ng balot? Pero kahapon, inano ko naman siya na magtingin siya sa YouTube kung paano itsura ng balot. Pero actually, may idea siya. Gusto kasi niya yan, balot at saka mangga. Si Lily, baka hindi yun magta-try. Kasi nga sabi niya sa akin, nakita daw niya sa YouTube, hindi daw maganda yung itsura ng balot. Pero papatry pa rin natin kung gusto niya lang. Pero kung ayaw niya, syempre hindi naman natin siya pipilitin, di ba? Wala, sumasakit naman din ng ano ko. Tiyan ko may work pa tayo. Ano ba naman yan? Syempre, may trabaho tayo today at mainit-init sa labas. Kailangan nating mag-cover ng konti. Ano lang yung medyas ko nasaan? Ang mga bata niyan today hanggang 5 o'clock sila dun sa daycare kasi may asikasuhin si Daddy saglit. Kasi naalala ninyo nung na-aksidente siya last year, November yata yun or December. Kailangan niya ng bayaran. Yung sabi ko sa inyo, yung 1,800 euros na babayaran niya. So, pupunta siya ng ano mamaya. Anong tawag doon? Ano ba yan? Asan yung ipit ko? Pupunta siya ng munisipyo. Ayun, nakuha ko na. Munisipyo. Para magbayad. Yes! Cup ito ni Daddy Teban. Actually, wala akong cup. Yes! And pamatay na shades. Okay! Di ko kayang tanggapin. Tara na nga, gumora na tayo. Baka malate pa tayo sa work. Namawis na tayo for today's video, guys. Di ko kayang tanggapin. Namawis na tayo. Punong-puno na ng pawis. Meron akong short na video. Kung napanood nyo yon, ito yon yung dinadaanan ko. Nandito lang sila sa gilid ng kalsada. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang gaganda nila, mga bulaklak. Ayan, super nice, di ba? Ayan, they extend from here. Ayan, hanggang doon, sa dulo doon. Nasa gilid lang talaga sila ng kalsada. Ang gaganda, promise. Puntahan natin yung makapal dito. Ayan sila. Di ko alam anong tawag sa bulaklak na ito. Ayan super nice, diba? Penapuno niya yung daan. Ganda. Na-mesmerize talaga ako, kaya gumawa ako ng short na video. Yung ginanon ko sila, yan. Yung ginanyan ko. Tapos ginanon. Ang ganda sa lang, tabi lang ng daan. Ganda. Tapos nakaka-attract din ng mga bubuyog, ng mga butterflies. Ang ganda. Feeling mo talaga summer na summer na. Nagbabike kasi ngayon maganda ang weather. Ganda talaga guys. So hindi ako makarecover. Siya. Magbike na tayo ulit. Pinark ko lang yung bike ko dito sa gilid. Baka malate na tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga baka doon banda. Kasi nakita ko rin kahapon. Ang lalaki talaga nila, promise. Let's go na guys ulit. Magbike na ulit tayo. Para hindi tayo malate for today. At makapagkapi-kapi pa ako doon. Namiss ko na ang aking sisterette na si Ruth. Usually kasama ko siya pag ganitong mga oras. Tsaka pag pauwi madaling araw, kasama ko siya. Ngayon for the past few weeks ako lang mag-isa. Nagpaawa. Anyway, lagay ko muna ang aking camera dito. At nang safe tayo. Wow, naol, malaki ang boobs. Mga ito, babaeng mga baka Ang lalaki guys. Punong-puno ng milk yung nila, mga babae talaga Ay, grabe Pumuputok na sa milk ang nila, mga dede nila. Wow, ang dami niyang alaga tong farm na to. Kasi to talaga yung farm na yan. Bakahan. Bye! Enjoy kayo sa weather! Nasa work na tayo, guys! Kasama ko na tong dalawa. Nagchichikahan na naman. Chichismisan na naman silang dalawa. Oo, yung kamay mo. Wala masyadong trabaho today. Ito ang ating biktima sa balot mamaya. Diyan ako mag-work today. Itong machine na ito. Work muna tayo, guys. We have the balut, guys.
Okay.
Kevin's gonna try. Lily's also here. Lily, show your fingers.
Oh, what a hand.
Beautiful fingers. Yes. But
What a
I
hand.
guess I'm too much
Can I have my Twixes at the ready? In case
and
things
your
go
water.
sour.
And your water.
And my water.
See, I will give you this one so that you will not make a mess.
When I have to puke.
You might puke. Oh, we don't have tissue. Tagal, di ba? And then this one.
Okay, remind me exactly of what we're about to eat.
Are you aware
We're
that
eating balot. It's unfertilized egg from the Philippines.
Fertilized?
Unfertilized. Oh, something's oh, this one.
What does that mean? Unfertilized?
Hello.
Hey.
are you aware?
And then Lily don't want to
Podcast.
try it, so only Kevin. This is balot. This unfertilized duck egg. We're going to open it. As you can see, there are two parts. This one is like the like
Like
that. But this one is rounded. You open it on the rounded part.
pointy.
Oh, ako
Don't
din.
no, this is the pointy.
Can I tell you the story?
You can see it actually. Look, it looks so hollow in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Can I
So
tell you a
that's where you
story?
open it, right?
Yes, what story?
That by the time the poser starts and then you start eating it, and when you start throwing up, all the people are gonna come in.
Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Just crack it like that. Yes. Perfect. I don't think it's this one. Use this one.
I open it, right?
Yes, and then just open it. Be careful.
Why? Why do I have to be careful?
Okay, be careful opening it. You might, because there's like the soup inside, like the amniotic fluid, something like that. As you can see, there's a sac in there, like a sac, a small, like a thin, very thin amniotic
And now I'm getting
sac.
nauseous, so shit. Okay, it smells like egg.
Yeah, it's just egg. Oh, be careful.
What?
Okay, remove that, like a thin film.
Yeah.
You've used your finger.
Why?
Just remove it. Yes, just remove it like that. And then drink the water. That is just amniotic fluid. Just drink it. Straight. Don't throw it. And?
Still egg?
Yes, not bad, right? It has three parts.
The chick already creeps me out.
Show it for my thumbnail.
It's not focusing.
Yeah. It's like that.
Wait. Oh.
It has three parts. Well, the yellow, the yolk, and then the unfertilized chick, and then there's like, we call it bato. It's color white and it's a bit chewy, like when you eat cartilage from chicken, something like that consistency. Let's dig it in. Can you do that for my thumbnail?
Do what?
Like this.
Like a Muppet?
like that for my thumbnail. Okay, let's eat it. Oh, you can put.
I can.
You can
wait,
use salt
I can
or
do a picture of you.
salt or vinegar.
But we
let's
don't
just-
have vinegar because you forgot.
Let's just use salt. Don't look at it too much.
Yeah, I think I can't do it. I'm
Just
already
open
like,
it.
looking at it.
Just open it. It's just
No.
like that. Do you want me to put a bit of salt?
Yeah.
Just do it. Do it on your own. Yeah.
I don't know if I'll be able to.
Look. Just one. Just
How am
try
I
the
supposed
yolk
to-
fillet. I'll do it for you. Okay.
It looks like a rat.
Don't say that, Lily.
You're
Look
not
at me.
Muppet.
Look at me eating it.
Yeah.
Just like that. It's just the egg yolk. See?
What are you eating right now?
It's the egg yolk and the chick was gone. Like, it's
Oh, the
basically...
chick is that small right now?
Yes, it's just small. You don't even see it.
Are you chewing at all?
No, it's very soft. It's very soft, like egg yolk. Try it now. Try it.
So this is what I'm swallowing. So you just swallow it.
You can chew it if you want, but it's very soft.
But nobody does that.
No, nobody chew
My
Oh,
it.
heart-
you
my
didn't
heart is
chew on
racing.
it.
No, like The one you chew, but the chick you just swallow it. It's so soft.
Oh yeah, it's loose in there. Okay.
Try it. Pray. Just focus on that. Okay. Just stay and don't think about it.
So you just
Look her.
so you just put it on your lips and you just suck it in and you swallow.
Or you can do that if you want.
What would you recommend me to do in order
Just
not to freak out too
put
much?
it in your lips and then. It's very soft.
Oh,
I'm so proud of you.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna cry.
it's just egg.
I know.
It's really
just
eggy, yeah.
That was it.
I was able to feel like,
In your mind, it's
yeah, I was able to feel like, okay,
Yeah.
that must be like the head and the what do you call this? The rump. The rump?
Rump, that's my cat as
And
well.
the rest is just
just egg.
eggy. Yo, I'm shaking a little bit.
I'm so proud of you. You can put a bit of salt,
Oh, yeah.
and you can use your spoon.
But is it
You
fermented?
survived. It is.
I'm a hater. If it's just an egg, why is
It's
it
very soft. You tell
expensive?
Lily. It's
Yeah.
very soft. You don't have to chew it at all. Do you want me to open one to see the chick in there?
I already seen the trick.
Well, I'm really relieved.
You are very brave.
I really
That
thought
should be
like
fun.
the egg was filled. Can you see me shaking
Yeah.
a little? I thought the
Shaking,
egg was
really.
completely filled with
No,
the chick.
it's very small. And then now you get to enjoy the yolk. This
It's
one.
really soft and it's not disgusting at all. Like the taste, there's
thank
no
you.
taste to it.
Like egg.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like egg. Yeah.
Then why is it expensive?
It's very expensive.
The hater. Just
But
eat
so-
normal eggs.
This one, the other part is very hard. Like, if you don't want to eat it, it's okay.
That's what she said. But it,
And do you like it?
I don't really like egg
Yeah.
that much. So I can't really say I like it, but
Very exotic for you to
It's-
try.
yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Understood? But you're so brave.
What's the dark stuff?
No, it's just
Wayne.
hair.
Hair,
And those are just like veins of
feathers of
yeah, feathers.
I also
Yeah,
saw
feathers.
like what kind of looked like an umbilical cord or something. Okay.
You're lucky
I'm
that-
not gonna eat the rest because
this one
I
is-
don't really like egg that much. But that was actually quite
Thank
okay.
you.
Thank you for offering.
Wait.
Do you want to see it, Lily? Would you like to try one, Lily?
It's so
No,
weird.
no,
It's so
thank you.
scary at the beginning.
Yeah.
It's like when you're about to take a dive, but
Yeah.
you're not sure about the
Yeah.
temperature of the water.
Yeah. Evan, I'm so proud of you.
I'm happy to be eating my porridge.
Happy. How about you, Lily? I still have one. Wanna try? No? Okay, let's eat.
Looks awesome.
Tapos na trabaho namin. Naghintay na lang. We're waiting for 2 minutes. Have a great weekend, Lily. Bye, subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's busy.
Hello, Edmund.
Oh. Bye.
Subscribe.
I threw up in the toilet.
No!
Nobody was watching.
Oh, you're.
No,
he has
that's
a
not good.
TikTok head.
Ay, sa wakas, pauwi na tayo, guys. Tapos na ang trabaho. Ayan na ang ating pa-view kapag gabi. Kadilimang ito, hala. At least may dumadaan pang sasakyan tonight. Kahit pa paano ay morning na pala dito. Ano na ngayon? 12:15 na ng umaga. Malapit na tayo sa bahay, guys. Uy. Yan ang aking dinadaanan pag pauwi. Sobrang dilim as in. Pero kailangan nating mag-bike-bike kasi mga ganitong oras wala nang bus dito. Kaya kailangan talaga mag-bike. Nagpahinga lang ako ng konti. Saglit lang. Ayan na ang aking dadaanan. Malapit na ako actually sa bahay. Mga ano na lang ito, 10 minutes drive. Drive! Ano bike? 10 minutes bike. Ay. Namawis ako sa ano, kakabike. Puro palaka na lang ang naririnig ko. Ayun. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo ang vlog natin for today. Magbike na ako pa uwi sa kadilimang ito. Thank you all for watching. See you all next time. Uwi na tayo. At Friday na. Happy weekend po sa lahat. Bye!